Congratulations on your purchase. Here's the quick setup to start using your goodnite anti-snore pillow. You will find the pillow, control unit, and power supply inside your box. Plug the power supply into the control unit, then into your power outlet on the wall. Switch the control unit to on. The green light will indicate power. You can then place the control unit on the floor under the bed or a nightstand out of the way. Put your favorite pillowcase on just as you would on any regular pillow and get ready for bed. The pillow will be actively sensing your snoring sounds and head position through the night and will inflate the proper air chambers to gently move your head to reduce snoring. To test your pillow in demo mode, make sure the power is off, and if you are using the NightLink 2 smartphone app, please close the app. Press and hold the Bluetooth button, then switch the power on. The blue light will blink, indicating the demo mode is active. Separate air chambers will then inflate and deflate alternately to mimic the action when the pillow is in use. This is what it looks like inside your pillow while it's inflating and deflating specific air chambers. To cancel demo mode, simply turn the power switch off. Thank you, and have a good night.